Hello friends, my name is Lakshmika and you are watching Comrades Defense Info. In today's episode, I am going to tell you all the information regarding horse riding in the NCC National Cadet Corps. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Point number 1. You'll have to take admission in the RVC units of the NCC. RVC means Remount and Veterinary Corps. All the RVC units are attached with the veterinary colleges. So in order to join in the RVC units of NCC, you'll have to be a student of the veterinary college. Point number 2. It is compulsory to be in a veterinary college except Delhi because there is no veterinary college in Delhi. Veterinary colleges and only the Army Wing cadets are eligible to join in the RVC units of the NCC. Both SW and ST cadets are eligible. That means girls and boys of the senior wing of the NCC are eligible to join the RVC units of the NCC for horse riding. The age limit of the cadet to be a horse rider should be under 20 years. Let me tell you, there is no written test but only physical test that consists of running, rope climbing, long jump, high jump, and the main point is that a cadet must not be afraid of horse. Point number 5. NCC training is conducted to these cadets also like any other NCC cadets. A certificate, B certificate and C certificates are also common to the horse riding NCC cadets. Apart from normal NCC training, these cadets that join in the RVC units of NCC are given special training regarding horse ridings. A very good instructors are provided to them to give the instructions about how to ride a horse. There are many competitions held for horse riders in NCC like hanky pickings, dressage, tent peggers and many more. They also can play in national and higher levels in the NCC horse riding competitions. They also participate in regional and national NCC events like DG NCC Horse Show in RDC, that is Republic Day camps, and in PM Rally. There are 40 to 45 units of the RVC all over India and there are total 10 directorates. Point number 7. The horse riding in NCC is beneficial in both professional and real life. A NCC cadet who have learned horse riding can earn money by teaching horse riding outside NCC organization in private companies like Tata, Reliance, etc. They can also get government jobs by NCC and also by horse riding certificates. So friends, that's all for today. I hope you understand my video. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section below and subscribe to Comrades Defense Info for more defense information. Jai Hind.